Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For me, I cook budget meals, and for today, I'm cooking one pot rice with chicken. So here I've got 5 drumstick that I've removed the skin, and I'm going to butterfly the drumstick, just like that, just so that they cook very fast. So butterfly the chicken drumstick like this. This will make sure that flavors can go through and the chicken can cook very fast. So I'm just using 5 of the drumstick, and I'm cooking for 3 people, one adult and one child. You can always cook as much chicken as you want, but for this recipe I'm using this drumstick and I'm butterflying them. So now that the chicken is butterflied, I'm adding chicken seasoning. This chicken seasoning has got salt, garlic, and other spices in it. So I'm not adding salt. A tablespoon of chicken seasoning and a tablespoon of paprika, sweet paprika, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then a teaspoon of black pepper, and now I'm going to add a little bit of oil just to help with the marinating. A little bit of oil, and then I'm mixing the chicken and marinating for about 10 minutes. Guys, you can put as much spices as you like, but I'm just putting these spices just to make it simple. Marinate for 10 minutes. And now in a large pan, I'm going to add some oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm putting my chicken in. Cook each side for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to cut 1 large onion and 1 large capsicum. And cooking the other side. And the chicken looks good. I'm going to set aside. In the same pan, I'm going to bring my onion first, the one large onion. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of cayenne seasoning. And then cook the onion for about 1 to 2 minutes. I'm adding one large capsicum. And then cook for about 1 minute or so. About 1 tablespoon of tomato paste or tomato puree. Cook together for about 2 minutes. I'm adding 2 cups of chicken stock. 2 cups of chicken stock. Then I'll bring it to boil. And then I'm adding 1 cup of rice. I've washed the rice. It's a washed rice and it's 1 cup. So just be mindful, the ratio is 2 cups of chicken stock and 1 cup of rice. Just making sure the rice is evenly distributed. And then I am going to bring my chicken back in. And let the rice simmer for about 25 minutes. It's simmer on low heat. So reduce the heat to very low and simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'm going to put the lid on. After 25 minutes, this is how the rice looks. It's quite an easy recipe to make. one pot chicken with rice, one of the most budget friendly meals you can make. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.